Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how type error set object is not subscriptable. This error occurs when you try to access an element of a set using square brackets, like you would with a list or tuple. However, sets are an unordered collection of unique elements and do not support indexing. Here's an example. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. To access the elements of a set, you can use a loop or convert it to a list. Here's an example. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. Keep in mind that sets are useful for their unique property, but if you need to access elements by index, you may want to use a list or tuple instead. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.